Parts of MCB. Input terminal. Power input point. Contact point. The part made of low resistor metal to reduce the voltage generated during on and off. Arc chute. Arc chutes are one of the key components of circuit breakers. They safeguard the breakers and other circuit interruption devices from heat and damages caused as a result of arc formation. Bimetal strip. Bimetal strips are used in miniature circuit breakers to protect circuits from excess current. A coil of wire is used to heat a bimetal strip, which bends and operates a linkage that unlatches a spring-operated contact. Output terminal. Power output point. Magnetic coil. A magnetic coil is an electromagnetic coil which is spiral and located inside the MCB to induce the magnetic field. This magnetic coil provides a magnetic tripping mechanism for short circuit protection. Operating knob. Manual on-off knob. Tripping mechanism. MCB tripping mechanism. Let's see how it works. First, we will implement this manually. Manual on. Touch the contact point on the power input terminal line. Manual off. The contact point touch on the power input terminal line is disconnected. There is a possibility of some electric sparks in the area when the power supply is disconnected. This can damage parts of the MCB. Arc chute is used to prevent this. Now we will see how it works in overload condition. The bimetallic plate begins to loop as the excess current travels through the MCB. Thus, the MCB will be turned off by touching the curved bimetallic plate tripping mechanism. Short circuit. The current passing through the MCB passes through a magnetic coil. Therefore, when a short circuit occurs, one end of the magnetic coil becomes direct current and the other end becomes neutral. Thus, the MCB is turned off by running the magnetic coil. MCB is therefore considered to be the most important electrical safety material. If you found this video useful, please like it. Also, subscribe to the Free Engineering Knowledge channel.